Hello guys, what is up? Steel Slayer 21 Savage back at it again. Today I'm gonna be playing some Clash Royale. I'm in a new clan, Soul Reapers. I always leave. Every single clan chest I leave. Well, it depends. Okay, so today we're gonna be building a very weird deck. We're gonna be building a hog, tornado, and rocket deck. Those are the main cards, okay? So, prove it. Let's put this in. My brother's playing the Xbox. Oh yeah, by the way guys, so today I was playing Roblox as I usually do on my phone, and then some people came up and told me, yo bro, what is up? We found a famous YouTuber. I'm not sure.
I remember.
Yeah, I'm not sure if it was one of you guys. But whoever it was, or whoever those people were, thank you so much for the support. But then I was also playing with Albert. I'm not sure if you guys know him, but I'm not sure where he's from. I think he's a YouTuber. So yeah, thank you guys for supporting me. Steel Slayer 21 Savage. I'm gonna put it in my Roblox. I'm not sure if whoever watches this will be able to friend me. I will also put it in, if you guys are my friends, I will put it inside of my my blog. I think it's a blog. I'm not sure what it's called. But anyway, forget about Roblox for a second. I can't. Yeah. Okay. So let's try out this deck. I suck at these decks. My Hog Rider is only level 5. It's my favorite push. Hog Rider, Goblin Barrel. Oh, thank God, I must get this on the other way. Other lane. Oh, my bad. Bam. Oh, brutal left. Okay. Okay. Let's rocket this. Oh, my bad. My super bad. Nope. Okay, good thing. Oh, yeah, that ain't gonna be good, buddies. Okay. Don't just do that. Don't just leave that. Who knows? You could have gotten a shot. Oh, run! Run, Hoggy! Run! Like the wind, my boy. Don't spawn anything. Yes! Nope. But that tower's dead. Because we got the rocket. Okay, yeah, we're gonna have to round this up, and let's round it up like this. Oh, he has the rocket too. It's gonna be perfect. Okay, so if he shouldn't do 90 damage, that should be more than enough to kill him. To kill this. No. Okay, 15. Okay, that's loggable. Plus, I'll get a bonus kill with the princess, unless that misses. Okay, good. Yep, this is all good stuff. It's all good stuff. I haven't really seen any comments. I think you guys just watch them and then leave and then go to some other people. I don't know. But what I want you guys to do in the comment section below is what I'm hoping is that you guys will put down what kind of games you want, all of that good stuff. And then this is an instant 3 crown. You're still a rocket for what it matters. What is rocket risk? Oh yes, so that's the perfect 3 crown, and we lost Thunder Towers. I was gonna lose that one right there, the 528. But that was a good battle. And I hate this. The alert that the new card released, the Royal Ghost. Okay, guys. It's about to be 12 in the morning. It's nighttime. It's about to be 12. But I don't care. That's usually the time I go to sleep at. But I never make it a video this late. Alright, my brother's playing on the Xbox, playing Roblox. What's it called? On the Xbox, Roblox, natural disasters. No. Okay. So what was the dumb part? Okay, nope, do not put down the defensive graveyard. Okay, thank God. Yo, that should be killed. Guys, I'm not gonna be able to do some Roblox videos for a very long time. I feel like some people are like, yes! You evil person, we had enough of your freaking Roblox. You do too much videos on it. It's because Roblox is one of my favorite games. What, like, if you had a YouTube channel, wouldn't you make a video about your favorite game? Wouldn't you? Okay, these people are really good. I'm gonna rock it. Now, I hope if that hits the wizard. Oh, get it. My bad.
Did you just fart?
No, I did the fart noise.
Oh.
What you say when you actually do fart? Okay, that's pretty good. Oh, rage! No! Slow this. If you guys ever want me to react to, you might not see my face. I'll try to do something about that. You know, getting the face cams. I'm also gonna be doing some stop motion. Oh no! Worst log placement. No, why are you cloning my ice wizard? There's no point if you're gonna die. Okay. Nope. Yep. Damn. Nope.
Andrew, you gotta watch this.
What? Oh, that's nice. No! Zap it! Ah, take that. Oh, let's throw down a hog. Okay, this is not gonna work. Yo, bro. Oh, that's just dirty. Oh, okay. That's just dirty. Okay, let's do. Our tower is at 56%. And good game. Good game, well played. Okay, so I'm sorry about talking about so much about Roblox, but what I want to do is put down your username. Tell me when you usually play No, put your username. I'll friend you.
No,
Tell me, and then also.
Which one like, or which one do I play on Xbox or phone?
I'll be quiet. I can't talk. Ignore him. Okay, what I was trying to say before I got interrupted. Let's continue with this. I'm gonna play and talk. What I was trying to say is that you guys put your usernames, and I'll put you inside one of my videos. But you guys can put any name, and I'll play it. And I mean any name of a game, and I'll play that game. Because you know.
Won't try the games.
No, I just want you guys to know that I actually support my fans. You know, I'm not saying that people don't support their friends, but I'm just like saying I support them because I to be honest, I wish I could see you guys. I wish you could see me. You know, like whenever I'm around people, I'm all like, I want to be people my fans, but then they're not. So, guys, get what I'm trying to sing? I'm not sure. Is that log? Ah, thank God. I remember when I used to have my old account. It was way better. I was still in Arena 9, but that was like.
Yeah, 4 legendaries.
Yep.
It was the Lecture Wizard Bandit. I remember the other one and the Graveyard
Princess. It was pretty good. Oh my God, ambushed. I was ambushed by this. Stop this. Now then, never mind. No, that's not what you're supposed to do. Oh my God. Okay. I wasn't able to zap the tower. Yo, what is up with these people? Okay. Innocent kids. That rocket missed. Oh, okay. No, it didn't. Double elixir. Why are you cloning? Okay, good. Sadly, this deck does not have the poison or my favorite card, the Inferno. Yo. This is how you do it. This is how you do it, boy. Okay. What?
Don't you hate when you're playing on phone or on Xbox? Don't you hate when you're playing natural disaster? You don't get near something, but you automatically die.
Yep. How did my bats die? Oh, yo. Okay, so now you bring out your freaking no. Go smack it down. No. Pop! Ah, I was gonna like take the tower. Oh my god,
Is that a real battle?
no. 2v2s, but okay. Okay, I'm only gonna do 2 more.
What? Fly!
Honest, I think the royal ghost kind of trash.
If you mirror it, it's kind of trash.
Be quiet, you have no say in this. I mean, yeah, but hold on.
That's if you mirror it.
Okay, so this is why I think the royal ghost is trash. Because he missed his ice was playing. I mean his Sparky. Okay. So why I think this is trash? I mean the royal ghost is trash. It's because it's basically a bandit, but okay.
It's a ghost.
No, the thing is, oh no, that's not what I'm trying to say. What I'm trying to say is that it's basically like a bandit, but a ghost. Yeah, how you said. I didn't really understand you. It's basically a ghost. I mean, it's basically the bandit, but more rare. And what happened?
I died.
Cool.
Oh, no reason. Everything fireballs are coming down.
It's called meteors. Okay. What was I saying?
That why the royal ghost sucks.
Oh yeah, because basically it's just as I said before, it's just
like a bandit.
Except more. Oh my bad. This is my bad.
How'd you get the coffee mug or the apple? Oh yeah.
Duh! Go. Nope. This ain't gonna psych this hog. Smack it down. Okay, so this hog tornado deck. I mean, speaking of Xbox, guys, I'm gonna put down my my Xbox name. That way, if you guys have the Xbox One.
It's just Imag's phone.
No.
Yeah?
No, it isn't.
Yours is still Slayer 21. Still Slayer 21.
In Roblox?
Yeah.
No. You don't understand it. Okay, guys. Okay, so this is the perfect rocket. Stay. That's how you do it.
Okay. Who's your live though? Oh, yeah.
No.
Oh, this looks cool. I remember this one.
Okay. So before I was just gonna say. So what's the point of making a bandit more rarer?
This is Royal Ghost.
No. So how I said is the Royal Ghost is like a bandit, but it has splash damage. It's more rarer, and it's invisible the whole time. Bandit is only invisible when it's gonna hit something. I'll do one more. Basically, it's just the same thing. That's my opinion, though. My opinion. Don't hate the comment. Don't hate the video saying like, "Oh, I hate you because you said this about the Royal Ghost." It's just my opinion. Me, I could take it or leave it.
Flash flood? You know what the flash flood?
Automatic flood. Yo, what the? Okay.
Boy, you gotta get in.
Okay, as I said, if you guys have the Xbox One X, Xbox. I don't know anymore. I'm just like foolish about this stuff. But whatever you have, I don't think Xbox 360.
Yeah, it's coming down.
No, I don't think Xbox 360. But I don't know. Miracles happen. I'm not playing.
Never know.
No.
Did you break the glass?
No, be quiet. Duh. Okay. You see? Look, right there. It's just the same thing. Just that it almost never affects.
Where's the bed?
I just killed it. What was I gonna say? Okay, so I'm gonna put down my Xbox name, and you guys can friend me. Yeah, but I don't have that much games, cause I'm gonna try to get them. I don't promise nothing though. I ain't gonna promise. I'm not gonna promise stuff that I'm not gonna be able to do. Games I will try to get though. Games I will try to get. Fortnite. One of them is a Fortnite.
Angel,
What?
remember when we were playing National Disaster in Northport? You remember when the water fountain flipped over?
Yep. Happened again?
I died
Oh.
automatically.
Are other people dying?
Like 3 more people, actually 4. At range, same those. Yeah, we know.
Bam, boy.
Oh,
So yeah.
die.
Yeah, just friend me, or if you guys can, I'm not sure if you guys have an Xbox or not.
He can still find that on his phone.
On Roblox. But what you guys can do is basically what's it called? Okay, how much does my rocket do? 358. I'm good.
58 damage?
358 damage.
Oh.
I'm good. Okay, that is it. So basically, either I'm gonna put down either way my Xbox name and my my Roblox name
and phone.
What?
And phone.
No, be quiet. Okay. Basically, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put down the video. Well, yeah, as I just said, put down my Roblox name and my Xbox name. Bye, guys. I hope you enjoyed this.